How to see Venmo card number on Venmo in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to see Venmo card number on Venmo. Just follow what I'm going to show you in this video because there is something that I want to tell you. So I'm going to Venmo app so I can tell you how you can see Venmo card number, or if you can really see it, or you can really see the whole card number on Venmo. Okay, so don't panic first, just follow what I'm gonna show you right now so you can see your card on Venmo first. So now I am going to Venmo app and open it. Okay, and after opening my Venmo app, you're gonna find this page. So what you need to do next is you need to go to cards. You're gonna find it here. Just click on cards. And after clicking on cards, you're gonna find your card here. Okay, so as you can see, I can't see my card number of Venmo. Okay, I can just see the last four numbers, but I can't see the whole card number. But unfortunately, you cannot see the whole card number on the app. Okay, you can see it on the real card, okay, that you received from Venmo, but you can't see your card number on the app. You can only see the last four numbers, and if you clicked on the card, for example, you're only able to see the last four numbers. Okay, if we scroll down here, we can only see the routing number and the account number, but we cannot see the whole card number on Venmo app. Okay, unfortunately, that's how it works. There is nothing to do about it. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.